From a single screw to a complete machine, from the field to the global market, manufacturing is our way of connecting with the world. Quality begins with the raw materials. We source high-performance, eco-compliant materials, from high-strength plastics and corrosion-resistant metals to lithium batteries and precision silicone components. All incoming materials undergo rigorous inspections before entering production. At Yizhou, manufacturing is not just about production, it's about smart engineering. We deploy automated injection machines, high-precision cutters, CNC benders, and intelligent assembly lines, enabling efficiency, consistency, and precision at scale. Core processes define product performance. From spray nozzle atomization and switch sensitivity to battery welding and pressure sealing, we fine-tune every critical detail through standardized operations and multi-stage validation. Our comprehensive quality control covers in-process monitoring, sampling checks, and final testing. All products undergo pressure tests, aging simulations, temperature tolerance, and drop tests to ensure reliable operation across diverse climates and terrains. We're committed to sustainability using recyclable materials, optimizing structural designs, integrating clean energy and water recycling systems to minimize our environmental footprint. Safety underpins every operation. We adhere to ISO occupational health and safety standards, conduct regular training, drills, and risk assessments, protecting both people and infrastructure. Our flexible manufacturing system adapts to global market needs, customizing products for different voltages, nozzle types, languages, and packaging to meet regional standards and consumer preferences. Our MS system and smart dashboards ensure transparency in orders, intelligent material flow, and real-time productivity tracking, driving efficient and on-time delivery. We conduct regular training and skills development programs, encouraging staff to participate in process innovation and continuous product improvement, from the shop floor to the drawing board. Manufacturing is more than making products. It's about building trust, quality, and the future. At Yizhou, we craft every agricultural solution with heart and precision. Yizhou Smart Manufacturing, excellence in every step.